Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about an interesting concept which is a truncate. Truncate is used to truncate or remove all the rows from your table. Remove all rows and just make an empty table. You know how it's going to work? Very simple. Just say truncate and your table name, which is employee data. And this is actually a DDL, but I'm showing it in a DML because I wanted a table with some records. So I'm just truncating an employee data. Okay, so query return successfully. If I try to call select aspect from employee data, it's going to give us an empty table. Okay, this is how the truncator is going to work. And one more important interview questions usually people ask in interviews. What is the difference between drop, delete, as well as a truncate? So what do you say about it? Drop, delete, and truncate. What comes to your mind? So very simple, when I say drop, it is used for dropping the table structure. It removes the entire table itself. When it comes to delete, it is used to delete a specific rows based on a conditions. When it comes to truncate, it removes all the rows and makes an empty table. So that's a difference between drop, delete as well as a truncate. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.